Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and welcome back to my channel where you don't have to start rich to become financially free. I have to get going soon, so I'm making this video super short. I also want to let you know really quickly that from November 17th through December 25th, I'm doing a giveaway. For every new subscriber to this channel, I will donate 25 cents to Save the Children Foundation US. And in today's video, we are going to talk about passive income strategies that are generated by sales. I'm doing a video series talking about different types of passive income and different strategies that might work for you. One example is through selling things that you can earn trails on. For example, most people have heard of Doterra, right? You can sell oils, but the thing is, Doterra is one type of many similar forms of business where if you recruit a team to work for you, then you earn commissions from their commissions. So I actually had a neighbor who recruited somebody who did really well, and then she was able to retire off of her downline's business. So even though a lot of these like pyramid schemes get a bad rap, it's actually a really good way for some people to build a long-term stream of passive income and focus on other projects. And that's just one example. Another example of trailing commissions from my personal life has been when I sold life insurance and annuities. I worked with a lot of public employees to help them fill the gaps in their retirement plans and their pensions, and one of the ways that's most common to do this is with annuity products. The great thing about selling some financial products such as annuities and life insurance is that you as the agent earn trailing commissions, which means every time that client makes a payment, then you earn a small percentage as your commission. What's really nice about life insurance in particular and annuities as well is that these are really long-term products. So when you have a client, they often are staying your client for many years or staying with the policy even if you're no longer their direct correspondent for the policy. The point is that they own this policy for many years and you will benefit in the long term from their payments on the policy. Another thing that can be trailing in terms of commissions are book sales. You can sell books and put it online, and then the book will sell itself, and over time you haven't actually done any work on the book unless you make new versions and updated versions, and you can still earn passive income. Another such example are affiliate links and YouTube videos where you only have to create the content one time and post it, and it's existing forever in a way that people can access and continue to give you views on your advertisements or whatever it is that generates money, be it a click or in terms of YouTube, it's like viewing hours and likes, and there's a whole that I actually don't really understand. Can I even say the word? I'm gonna have to bleep that out because I don't want my video to like get censored or something. So another interesting commissions idea that's coming out in terms of like very recent things are NFTs or non-fungible tokens. So for artists who want to continue earning money off of what they create, this is an excellent way to create passive income for yourself. When you generate music or you create a piece of art or something that has value that you want to sell and resell online, you can do this in the form of an NFT. The general idea is that you want a trailing sale or a trailing commission or a continual premium. For example, a subscription service. These are very popular businesses because you have recurring income even after you've made the initial sale. So after your effort is done on the initial sale or contract, you continue to benefit for the foreseeable future or until your customer cancels or moves to a different product or passes away in terms of life insurance. Sales is a lot of work. It takes confidence, it takes studying. You can't just go and make people feel like you're forcing them to buy something and it doesn't work. So it takes a lot of effort to be a successful salesperson, which is one of the main purposes of this channel anyways, is I want to see other people become financially free no matter who you are and no matter what you're starting with. There is a way for you to generate passive income and earn money while you sleep. So my personal life example was selling life insurance and annuities, and even that now that I'm a full-time data analyst, I still make an extra $100 to $200 a week from past sales and commissions on life insurance and annuities, which is awesome. Now imagine if you have hundreds of clients, if you spent 2 to 3 years in college or right after college developing a large set of sales, you can continue benefiting from the payments that your customers are making years into the future, and it's great. Go out there, learn how to sell things, find something that you can sell a subscription on, or a service where you will receive a rolling commission on the product that you sell. That when you make the sale, you don't just get the commission once. As long as that client is purchasing the subscription or paying a premium on the product, you will receive a partial payment. And those partial payments add up when you're talking about having hundreds, and there's people with thousands of clients that retire in their early 30s or 20s just from being good at sales. I hope this video helps you look at sales a little bit differently. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience in sales, if you have your own sales story. I know my brother's friend is like this high school kid who sold, get this, bug extermination services, and he's driving around in a Mercedes-Benz earning $100,000 a year just from selling bug extermination services door to door. So I'm curious what your ideas would be for selling something. If you have made money from sales, or if you tried to do sales and you failed, feel free to tell your stories in the comments below. If this video was interesting to you, or if you have a friend who is maybe thinking about how to generate passive income, please share it with them, and like and subscribe. If you want to get free cryptocurrency or a free month of VPN or a free budgeting template, you can look in the links in the description below. I am so excited that you came by today, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope you guys have a great time with your family or friends or whatever you decide to do today, or even if you're not in the United States and you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, have a great day, folks, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.